Welcome, my lovely people. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome, guys. This is Immigrants in Europe TV channel. So, if this is your first time of coming across this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Here in this Immigrants in Europe channel, I discuss issues that matters in our daily life, and especially those that are here in Europe. I talk about things that will be of benefit to you and I. So if you subscribe to this channel, I promise you that you will not regret for subscribing to this channel, and also share this video to others that have not come across it so that they too can subscribe and be of benefit to it, because I have your interest at hand. That is why I always bring these things here so that you will be aware of it and know how to go and request it in your own communion. So please share it out so that others that are not aware can benefit from it also. Today I want to talk about how to request our bonus spaza, because last week I did a video about how it was declared that bonus spaza should be given out to people that are in need again. So now I want to tell you how to request it. Let me know if you know I do again. I no go disturb you, I no go stress you. Let me know if you know I do again. I no go disturb you, I no go stress you. No call me back, oh, no call me back. When you say I do with another person, baby, no call me back, oh. Alright, guys, let's go there. So, I don't say I promise una before, say this week the procedure of how to do that bonus spaza go come out, and it don't come out, so make I come share the way to now. So now two different methods I go use now. Many people sabi do something online by themselves, so I go just tell you now the process to do this thing. While for those wey no go fit do am online, sorry to say, because everybody not be the same, all fingers are not equal. Some have that ability to do these things online, while some not get am. So those wey no go fit do am online, I go still drop number for here wey be say you go still call. If you call, they go give you appointment. But the number when I go drop for this appointment also listing well now for only city where they call Perugia. Because as you see this issue, this bonus spaza issue, it be like all Malam with your own kettle, Aboki with your own kettle. Not be every commune with their own number. Not be Perugia own you go use for your city. But not worry, let your mind calm down. I dey here for una. Now me I dey here to solve the problem. If no though na follow na you dey stay, I go find the number come and make we do one together. If you don't pass anywhere where you dey stay, I go find the number come out. I go still drop my WhatsApp number for there in case you know say not be all cities go just dey my head. In case I not call your city number, send am for my WhatsApp and I go help you get your city commune number. You will just call the number and they go put you through how you go take get your bonus spaza quick. So now you have to bring out your phone. I want to tell now the procedures for those who be say they want do an online by themselves. Carry your internet phone come out. Mona no mind me na this small phone I dey use but if they let me, they solve my problem. So carry your internet phone come out and film. Go to Google or Google or Gulu, anyone. Go Google. If you go, you press am. Guys, you click it. And they mix English, pidgin English together. You press am again. Then you type am. You type www.comunedeperugia.it. That one na for people when they stay Perugia. If na for Folino you dey stay, excuse me guys, you still type am comunedefolino.it. If na Bastia, the same thing. No say na say Italo dey do their own. Punto comune di Bastia. .it. So na say it just be. Tutto chiaro? Una understand me? So may I come back again. You type www.comunedeperugia.it because na Perugia me dey stay, make me dey use this city now. So for your own city, you go still write and comment www. For example, Roma, no, you have put Comune di Roma, Comune di Roma.it. So I repeat again, www.comunediRoma.it. That D when you want write, so know your right hand letter D or not D-I. That is in Italy, is D-I. So now so may we quickly go down. I know say my video, I know they like to do and make the long well. You click that. If you don't write out for the Google, you come and you'll see where the right Comune di Perugia, then you go press am. I don't know whether I go see am clearly. Then when you don't press that Comune di Perugia, you come scroll and they go, they waka, they go. Then you come see one place where be say the right. I don't know whether I clear. So you get one place where be say the right. Noi insieme sostegno economico per l'acquisto di beni di prima necessità medicinale e rimborso delle utenze domestici. I know they perfect. It never tell why I come Europe, but I just dey try my best to read the language. So now waiting the write for here now I read comments. You go see that place where they write. I repeat again. Noi insieme sostegno economico per l'acquisto di beni di prima necessità medicinale e rimborso delle utenze domestici. So if you don't see that place like that, you see where the whole Carello, the supermarket, the whole Carello food dey inside, all those things. So you come press am, you click am, it don open. You see as e open, now wetin write for here, me I don put am for English, so use your phone, you put am for English too. Now e write say information, notice and application submission. Now the bonus page and now we dey talk, so how you want to submit am online or that one if you fit do am by yourself. I just give una the clue now how to do it on your own. Then you press am. When you press am now, it don open. You see where the for I say submit application. Submit application. Then you press am. This submit application, see still scroll go down, another submit the application still dey there. Oh, see this the one wey show, see the light dey reflect, so no fit show well. So you press this submit application. Now the work when I get na be this. So me, I no dey spend my time for Facebook or drama. I like to dey research, dey find. So anytime when you just see me, I carry my phone face like this, I dey find wetin I no keep for inside. I dey find where benefit dey for come. So you see how I don press am now. Then you see that page, that pagina wey come out. Konyome, which is your surname, you write am there. Your name, you write am. Your birthplace where they for born you, you write your country there. Your date of birth, you write am. Your sex, if you be man or you be woman, you put am. Like me, I be woman, so I write am F, female. Codice fiscale, many people know wetin be codice fiscale. You put your codice fiscale there. The city where you for residence, you go write and come out. Like me, a resident for my city, Perugia. I don't know where you for resident, so you put am there. Postal code. That postal code, many of us know postal code now. Waiting they say they receive letter. That number where they follow letter they come. Like my own na 06124. I don't know your own, but look all your letters you see. So you write am there. Your phone number you put am there, because when you submit and give there, they go like to see call you to ask some kind question. When I not vex, I know they fit stay without glasses. Eyes don dey do me one kind, so me I saw put my glass. When I pardon this glass, then copy of your identification documents. Already you know say you don't snap and you don't save am for your gallery. Now to just press that place where they say choose file, it go carry you go your gallery. You choose your documents, you upload them, then you forward them, give them. When you don't forward them, give them, then they will come call you to tell you what will be the next step. They'll come call you to tell you waiting. Just wait. Give me some minutes. Enjoy this music. I'm here for you guys. Enjoy. Make sure so you feel all the space correct. Just make sure say you feel all this space correct. So you get one place where they still write marital status. Now my own they feel so. If you don't marry, you write am. If you never marry, you still write am. If you be single, anything where you be, write am there. I go lie. So may I choose file. I just want to do this thing so that it not go hard for now. When I'm with you, oh do mommy anytime when I dey with you. Oh body too. I beginning to fall in love. When I don't mind you, I say I be the song Christian. Don't mind my voice. I'm beginning to fall in love. So now you see, as I submit all the documents, you write another one come out to. It say write another one come out now. It say I declare that at the date of publication of notice. So you can't choose the type of documents where you get. If you be Italian citizen or you be citizen of a European Union country or other than Italy, citizen of a country not belonging to European Union with a legal residence permit, anyone where you be. So me, I don't click the one where I be for inside. You go still click your own like that. Then you go forward that. So now so you go just because the process just still long time. So na for who sabi read and write na dey go through this process. So anything wey you forward, another place go open. Na so you go take dey do am jejely till dem go request say send photocopy of your permission sojourner. You go send am easy or anything wey dem just request so far you get, and just give them, and before you know it, maybe few days time they'll come press your bell. For example, my name is Sarah, so they press your bell to say, Signora Sarah, può scendi per favore, and go and collect your bonus pesa, just like that.